Hi guys, this is Fortune. This is the first video I'm uploading to my YouTube channel. This is about meal prep and regarding my weight loss journey. I made different protein options and lentil soups, which will be my dinners, and salad and snacks for the about 3-4 days, and I will make other options or other things to eat as the week goes along. Please let me know if you want me to make videos of each of the meals I made here, or if you want to see different options or different kind of food I can make. Thank you and have a good day.